Welcome to Wheel Check Review. The 2026 Volvo FH16 Double Floor motorhome represents the next level of innovation in long-haul comfort, luxury, and functionality. Built on Volvo's legendary FH16 truck platform, this motorhome combines raw power with refined elegance, making it one of the most impressive homes on wheels in the modern era. From the very first glance, the exterior demands attention with its aerodynamic truck design, sharp LED lighting, and sleek body lines that flow into the double floor structure, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Step inside, and you immediately notice why this double floor concept is such a game changer. The design allows for an incredible amount of hidden storage space beneath the main living area, ensuring that long journeys never feel cramped. The layout feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome, with spacious lounge seating, high-quality leather finishes, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. Modern LED ambient lighting sets the perfect mood whether it's daytime travel or nighttime relaxation. The kitchen is designed with practicality and style in mind. Equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and premium countertop space, it allows for gourmet cooking while on the move. Every detail has been crafted to maximize efficiency, from soft close cabinets to cleverly hidden compartments. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dining space that doubles as a workstation, perfect for those who need to stay connected while traveling. Moving further inside, the motorhome features a luxury bedroom suite, elevated by the double floor design to provide extra ceiling height and comfort. The queen-sized bed is framed with high-end materials and offers under-bed storage for added convenience. Surrounding shelves, smart climate control, and privacy features make it feel like a true home away from home. The bathroom continues the luxury theme, offering a separate shower with modern glass partitions, a premium sink, and advanced water-saving systems that ensure comfort without compromise. On the road, the Volvo FH16's legendary engineering takes center stage. Powered by a robust diesel engine with hybrid assistance, it delivers smooth power for long journeys, while advanced suspension and handling systems ensure the ride remains stable and comfortable. Volvo's cutting-edge safety technology, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automated braking, ensures that every mile is secure. Drivers will also appreciate the ergonomic cockpit with a fully digital dashboard, intuitive controls, and enhanced visibility that makes handling such a large vehicle surprisingly effortless. Entertainment and connectivity are also prioritized in the 2026 Volvo FH16 motorhome. A state-of-the-art infotainment system offers seamless smartphone integration, satellite navigation, and streaming options, while multiple smart TVs are strategically placed throughout the living area. With onboard Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity, passengers can stream movies, attend virtual meetings, or simply stay in touch with family and friends without interruption. What truly sets the double floor design apart is the hidden versatility. The underfloor compartments are large enough to store bicycles, camping gear, or even compact scooters, making it ideal for adventurers who want to explore beyond the motorhome. This design also helps with insulation, keeping the living space cooler in summer and warmer in winter. In summary, the 2026 Volvo FH16 Double Floor motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it is a statement of innovation, luxury, and freedom. It combines Volvo's renowned reliability with modern comforts that rival high-end apartments, making it the perfect choice for those who want to travel the world without leaving behind the feeling of home. This motorhome delivers power, safety, and style, redefining what it means to live and travel on the open road. Recommendation: use this script with visuals of the Volvo FH16 exterior, interior tours, and driving shots. Next step: pair narration with smooth background music and transitions to maintain engagement for a full 5-minute video. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.